younger and more beautiful than ever before. The whole stream began to glow, a flowing ribbon of liquid starlight, illuminating the mossy banks and the wide, wondering eyes of the little animals. And the light reflected on the mice's leaf boat, making it shimmer as if it were made of pearl. Mother Will-O-Wisp clapped her tiny paws together. Father Elmsworth simply stared, a look of peaceful awe on his face. And Squeak and Pip, the little ones, burst into the softest, tinkling giggles, a sound like tiny bells in the wind. And the sound of their happy giggles made Pipkin feel warm all over. A soft, rumbling giggle escaped him, too, a happy, gentle sound that shook his small body. He felt so full of joy that he gave another, smaller sneeze on purpose. PFF-chew? A little puff of golden sparks drifted out and landed on the Whiskerwink's leaf, making their thistledown clothes sparkle and shine. And for a long while, they stayed there, sharing the